dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today let's go through two beautiful poems, Sing Little Birdie and Bird in Summer. Sing Little Birdie is a sweet poem written by W. W. Swansea. Here the poet is speaking to a little bird. The little birdie usually sits on high branches of trees. The poet wants the birdie to sing louder and longer. He is sad. He says that listening to the music of the bird will help him forget his sorrows. He wants to stay with the bird forever. Let's go through poet's deep feelings. Are you ready to see this cute and talented little birdie? Sing, little birdie. Sing, little birdie, sing, on topmost branches high. Birdie means a little bird. Topmost means highest. And when thou spreadst thy airy wing, let not the sweet notes die. Thou means you. Thy means your. Airy wing refers to imaginary wing. Sweet notes refers to attractive musical sounds. But longer, louder be, until the echoes ring. Echo means repeat someone's sounds. Ring means make a deep and clear sound that hide away where none may see, but only hear them sing. Hide means put or keep out of sight. Methinks that I could stay. Methink means I think. Stay means remain in the same place or in a specified state. Forever with thee here. Forever means for all future time. Thee means you. And list thy strain the livelong day, forgetting sorrows dear. Strain means a force pulling or stretching something. Livelong day refers to the whole day. Sorrow means deep distress caused by loss or disappointment. The poet is not ready to leave little birdie. Just like him, let's stay with this cute little birdie and forget our sorrows. My dear student friends, let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. Sing, little birdie, topmost branches, high, spreads thy airy wing, sweet notes, longer, louder, echoes, ring, hides, methinks, stay, forever, strain, livelong day, forgetting, sorrows dear. Next, let's move to the other beautiful poem, Bird in Summer by Robert Louis Stevenson. The main idea of the poem is that the weather in England causes some problems to children who have to follow certain system in their lives. In summer, it's light till 9 p.m. The sun rises late in winter, so they find themselves get up very early when it's still dark. The speaker of the poem is a child. The child has to dress up by the candle light because it's still dark. Lack of sleep during night makes him sleepy. This compels him to stay in bed. Sometimes we have faced such an experience of being in bed while our friends were playing. Our friends came to our house and called us, but we could not go with them. We felt terribly irritated and sad. Our parents allow us to play in holidays, but not always. They allow it only in the evening after 4 o'clock. We wish to play outside always, but we must obey whatever they say. Let's go through the poem. Bed in summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candle lights. In summer, quite the other way, I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still hopping on the tree. Hop means move or go quickly. Or hear the grown-up people's feet still going past me in the street. Past means gone by in time and no longer existing. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue? Hard means harsh or unpleasant. And I should like so much to play, to have to go to bed by day. My dear student friends, let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. Summer, winter, yellow, candle lights, hopping, grown-up people, street, heart, clear. Okay, my dear student friends, see you this week by a story of great adventure. Thank you.